Hello! Welcome to Consumer Tech, where we bring you the best in audio gear. Today we're diving into the best turntables of 2025, perfect for audiophiles and vinyl enthusiasts alike. Ready to upgrade your listening experience? Check out the full list linked in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more audio reviews and recommendations. Let's get started. Number 5, Angel's Horn AT3600L is a remarkable turntable that stands out in the crowded market of audio equipment. Designed for both novice vinyl enthusiasts and seasoned audiophiles, this turntable combines elegance with functionality. Its sleek, modern design features a minimalist aesthetic that can complement any home decor while ensuring durability and stability during playback. One of the key highlights of the AT3600L is its high-quality audio performance. Equipped with an advanced AudioTechnica AT3600L cartridge, it delivers rich, detailed sound that brings your vinyl collection to life. The cartridge's design minimizes distortion, ensuring that you can enjoy your favorite music just as the artists intended. The turntable also boasts a built-in phono preamp, which allows for easy connectivity to a wide range of audio systems without the need for additional equipment. This feature makes the AT3600L a convenient choice for those looking to set up a simple yet effective sound system. Additionally, the adjustable counterweight and anti-skate control help optimize tracking and prevent skipping, providing a smooth listening experience. Another notable aspect of the Angel's Horn AT3600L is its user-friendly interface. The manual belt drive system allows for precise speed control, ensuring that you can switch between 33.13 and 45 RPM records effortlessly. The easy-to-read speed indicator lets you know exactly which setting you're using, making it accessible for first-time users. Number 4. Fluance RT85 is a standout turntable that brings the classic vinyl experience into the modern age with an impressive blend of performance, design, and affordability. Designed for both audiophiles and casual listeners, the RT85 features a high-quality wooden finish that not only enhances its aesthetic appeal, but also minimizes unwanted vibrations, ensuring a clearer sound. At the heart of the RT85 is a premium AudioTechnica AT95E cartridge, which provides exceptional sound quality and fidelity. This cartridge is renowned for its ability to reproduce audio with remarkable detail and clarity, making it an ideal choice for listening to your favorite records. Additionally, the turntable is equipped with a solid aluminum platter that contributes to stable playback and reduces resonance. One of the standout features of the Fluance RT85 is its built-in phono preamp, which allows for easy connectivity to a range of audio systems. Whether you're connecting to powered speakers, a home stereo, or an AV receiver, the RT85's versatility ensures that you can enjoy your vinyl collection without needing to invest in additional equipment. For those who prefer a more customized setup, the turntable also offers the option to bypass the built-in preamp, providing flexibility for dedicated audiophiles. Furthermore, the RT85 is designed with user-friendly features such as an adjustable counterweight and anti-skate control, allowing for precise setup and optimal tracking of your records. Number 3. AudioTechnica ALP120XUSBBK is a versatile and feature-rich turntable that has garnered attention from audiophiles and casual listeners alike. This direct-drive model combines modern technology with a classic design, making it a popular choice for those looking to enjoy vinyl records without sacrificing sound quality or convenience. One of the standout features of the ALP120XUSBBK is its USB output, which allows users to easily connect the turntable to a computer. This connectivity enables the digitization of vinyl records, making it simple to create high-quality digital files of your favorite albums. Whether you're a vinyl purist or someone who enjoys the convenience of digital music, this turntable caters to both preferences. The ALP120XUSBBK boasts a robust build quality, designed to minimize vibration and ensure stable playback. Its adjustable dynamic anti-skate control and pitch adjustment slider allow for precise tracking, making it suitable for DJs and home listeners alike. The included AT-VM95E cartridge is known for its clarity and detail, enhancing the listening experience by delivering rich sound reproduction. Additionally, the turntable features a removable head shell, which provides the flexibility to upgrade or replace the cartridge with ease. This user-friendly design appeals to both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts who may wish to customize their setup. The aesthetic appeal of the ALP120XUSBBK, with its sleek black finish and illuminated controls, further adds to its allure. Number 2. Project Debut Evo 2 is a remarkable turntable that takes the already impressive Debut series to new heights, delivering an exceptional listening experience for both audiophiles and casual listeners alike. With a sleek design and a modern aesthetic, the Debut Evo 2 is not just a feast for the ears, but also for the eyes. It boasts high-quality materials, including an elegant MDF plinth that minimizes resonance and enhances sound quality. This turntable features an upgraded 8.6-inch aluminum tone arm designed for precision tracking and improved playback accuracy, ensuring that every note is captured with clarity and detail. The Evo 2 also comes equipped with the Ortofon 2M red cartridge, renowned for its excellent performance and ability to reproduce a wide range of frequencies, enriching your vinyl listening experience. One of the standout features of the Project Debut Evo 2 is its customizable speed settings, allowing users to easily switch between 33 and 45 RPM records. Additionally, the incorporation of an electronic speed change mechanism enhances usability, making this turntable accessible for users of all levels of expertise. With the Debut Evo 2, Project has also focused on improving isolation, incorporating a new sub-chassis design that reduces vibrations and interference, resulting in a cleaner, more immersive sound. Whether you're spinning classic rock albums, jazz records, or contemporary hits, this turntable ensures that the nuances of each track are faithfully reproduced. Number 1. Fluance RT85 is a high-performance turntable that stands out in the crowded market of vinyl playback devices. Designed for audiophiles and casual listeners alike, the RT85 combines sophisticated engineering with elegant aesthetics, ensuring that it not only sounds fantastic but also looks great in any home audio setup. At the heart of the RT85 is its premium components, including a high-quality aluminum platter that minimizes vibrations and enhances sound clarity. The turntable features a solid wood plinth that provides both stability and an attractive finish, making it a stylish addition to any room. The inclusion of a built-in phono preamp allows for compatibility with a wide range of audio systems, meaning you can easily connect it to your existing equipment without needing additional components. One of the standout features of the RT85 is its advanced cartridge, the AudioTechnica AT95E, which is known for its accurate and detailed sound reproduction. This cartridge ensures that every groove in your vinyl is captured with precision, delivering rich audio that brings your favorite records to life. The turntable also features an adjustable counterweight and anti-skate control, allowing users to fine-tune the setup for optimal performance and minimizing record wear. Moreover, the Fluance RT85 supports both 33 1:3 and 45 RPM playback speeds, making it versatile enough for various vinyl formats.